In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Houston. We'll walk through the official City of Houston municipal court system from start to finish so you can take care of it quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to the official City of Houston municipal court's ticket payments page on the city's website. You should see that you're on a houstontx.gov page with a secure connection. Using the city portal is important because it protects your information and ensures your payment is properly applied to your case. On that page, start the online payment process by selecting the link to the Chase ticket payment system. This is the processor the city uses. When prompted, review and accept the terms and conditions so you can continue to the search screen. Next, enter your ticket details. Have your citation number handy and then provide either your last name or the offense date. Those fields are used to locate your case. If you're unsure where to find the citation number, it's usually printed near the top of your ticket. Type everything exactly as it appears and use the correct date format shown on the screen. Then click Search to pull up your record. From the results, click your ticket number to open the details page. Take a moment to review what's listed. Confirm the violation information, the total fine, and the due date. Make sure it matches your paperwork. If anything doesn't look right, pause and contact the court before moving forward. When you're ready, choose Pay Invoice to move to checkout. Enter your payment information using a credit or debit card and complete the required billing fields. A small convenience fee, typically around $7, may be added by the processor. Double check the amount before you submit and avoid refreshing your browser while the payment process is to prevent duplicate attempts. After you see the confirmation screen, save your receipt, download or print the confirmation page, and keep it with your records as proof of payment. You can also take a screenshot as a backup, and payments generally post within 1 business day, so allow a little time for the court system to reflect the update. That's it. By using the official Houston Municipal Courts portal, reviewing your information carefully, and saving your receipt, you can pay your traffic ticket online in just a few minutes.